I jumped out of an airplane at 3,500 feet in the air. This is how it happened.
Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man.
Now, a short backstory before this all starts. I have to have a disclaimer. I am terrified of heights. However, my girlfriend mentioned for a long time that she was interested in skydiving. I had no intention of doing so, but I needed a good anniversary present, so I said, you know what? I will suck it up, I will face my fears, and I'll do something that a majority of the population has probably never done before. And in the end, I like to think that I might have done better than her. Enjoy the video.
Hey guys, welcome to So what are we doing today? What are these crazy contraptions you have on?
We're gonna be jumping.
What made you guys want to do this?
I don't know. I've always wanted to do it.
So it was your idea?
No, it was my idea. I'm terrified of heights, and sorry.
I've always wanted to do it,
anniversary.
but it was his idea for our anniversary to do
All right, great.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
What do you think about that?
I'm
scared
super
already.
excited.
She's saying that she love me, but I got these mixed emotions. 1 second we talking, then the next I'm stuck on open.
I know.
Look this way, guys. Woo! So we're about 5,000 feet. What do you think?
I'm terrified.
Terrified. You're still terrified.
Yes.
All right. Not excited at all.
Maybe a tiny bit.
All right.
Skies don't make me cry, just let me fly higher than high. Don't let me down from this place of love and hate. LA skies.
What's up, Katie? How was that, girl?
It was good.
It was pretty awesome, right?
It was.
Nice. What was your favorite part? The free fall or the parachute ride?
Well, the free fly, I felt like I was gonna puke.
Oh.
But
I'm glad you didn't.
It was pretty cool though.
And I'm sure Brad's really glad you didn't.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Welcome back to Mother Earth. How are you?
Emotionally exhausted. You're good to roll out to your left.
Well, let's get up.
On the line. There you go. I love the nature. But don't look at that much.
Take a picture with this guy.
Let me get some circulation going.
There you go. So you're gonna do it again, you think?
Maybe in the future.
All right.
As long as I get this guy.
Good answer. All right.
Sky's the limit.
And where are you going to tell everybody to skydive? What's the name of this place?
Sky's the limit.
Yeah. All right. Woo!